Hello, what's up guys? Today in this video I'm going to show you how to find RAM and storage in Windows 10 or 11. Guys, you are new in my channel, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel and press the bell notification. You get a new and fresh video of technical. Let's start our video. First, right click on this taskbar, then click on this task manager and you can see task manager open. Then click on this performance and you can see all things: CPU, speed, memory, disk C, disk D, all things can you see here. And second method, type here to search, click on it and here you type view RAM info, click on it. You can see all things installing RAM, all things you can see here. That's it.